in the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Nkanelo wa Gingirkani. My name is Mandela Gere Gingirkan Wakamashava, bringing you another episode of Nkanelo wa Gingirkan. Coming to you live again. Hilary singer view lang ako na. I'm Gangen Wakar singer. Yes. As you know, I'm busy talking about the music rights and copyright issues, and then I want to talk about this particular organization on this video. It's called Capaso. Today we're talking about Capaso. Capaso is another organization that musicians should join if they want to earn music royalties. And these guys, they administer what we call mechanical rights in terms of music, royalties. So mechanical rights will be your rights that you earn when your music is being converted into MP3s, into CDs, when your music is used in a soap opera, or when your music is used in an advertisement, or when your music is used in a ringtone, you earn mechanical rights. And if you are a composer or a publisher, you deserve to be paid mechanical rights. And these are the guys, Capaso are the guys responsible for that. So Capaso will be standing for Composers and Publishers Association of South Africa. Can I please buy some potatoes? Is it tomatoes or potatoes? It's potatoes. Mazambala man.
It and run Mazambana.
It and run Mazambana. Nkombela shikatsa shimwe.
Mhlata itetirandi.
Okay. Mhlata itetirandi ne. Okay, command la one mitanchichela. Okay. Yeah, nilama zambala. Okay. Right. So malam lagi malmuno?
15 rand.
15 rand. Acha ke?
Acha 10 rand, 30 rand, 50 rand.
Okay. I know. Acha tasha sukruwa, Namte yokoba ya bazambala tse. Because so we are coming to you live at Risinga View in Giyani. So as I was talking to you, I just bought some potatoes. People are selling here, and we have to support local business. So this is one of the things: support local business. And who can be a member of Capaso? Anyone can be a member of Capaso. If you don't have a publisher, you can be your own publisher by becoming a member of Capaso. But if you have a publisher, you need to talk to a publisher to make sure that they get you what you deserve. Guys, this is how it works. So if you have music that is out there and is being used on caller tunes, or if your music is being downloaded on streams, on different sites, if someone is using your music on a cell phone, when you call a landline and then there's music playing at the background, where it says please hold, and there's music playing there at the background, that is when you earn your mechanical rights. If you don't have a publishing company that is working for you, or you can be your own publisher by being a member of Capaso, because if you have a publishing company that is working for you on your behalf, you can't be a member when individually. Your company or your publishing company, like Sony or whatever other companies that are being used, is the one that has to negotiate to make sure, because many people have contract with those guys to be their publisher. So if you don't have a contract with those guys, you can be your own publisher by joining Capaso, because Capaso is usually rights that are paid to people who are composers. So if you wrote the music that is being aired in the places that I have mentioned, you deserve rights to earn your mechanical royalties. So if you're an artist out there, you don't have a publisher, you can be your own publisher. You can be your own publisher by going there in Braamfontein and join Capaso, because they're there at the Samro building. I think it takes plus minus 5 minutes to join Capaso, and you pay a minimum fee of 100 rand, a joining fee, I think. I'm going to leave a link here if you can join online, but I wouldn't encourage anyone to do it online, because I know there's a lot of problems. But then if you go there physically, you can be a member. So those who have publishing companies, they're at an advantage, because if someone uses their song in an ad, like I said before, or in a film, or in any soap opera, the publishing company is able to negotiate on their behalf and they can earn a better deal, you know. But then if you don't have a publishing company, it means you have to do this thing on your own, and you may run a risk of being robbed, you know. Or you can also be at an advantage, you know, of earning a good deal, because you are not going to have to share your earnings with anyone. Maximize your royalty streams by going and join these organizations. You will thank me later. My name is Mandlela Gere, Gingirkan Wakamashava. Eka stars, Kutselekile Nyora, Shamina Imazambala. Minatutimele, salute. So as I was, oh my gosh, what is, well, we're trying to support local business. This is what happened.